Okay, question देखो, this is the question from chapter 32 of H.C. Verma. A 6 volt battery of negligible internal resistance is connected across a uniform wire AB of length 100 centimeter. This is a potentiometer wire AB of length 100 centimeter and there's a 6 volt battery. The positive terminal of another battery of EMF 4 volt and internal resistance 1 ohms is joined to point A. So here we have another battery 4 volt and 1 ohm resistance. Okay. Then take the potential at B to be 0. This is the point having 0 potential. Let's write over here 0 volt. Okay. Further, uh, what are the potentials at the points A and C? Okay. So see, that's very easy. This is 0 potential. So here we get potential how much? We get 6 volt. Okay, because from 0 volt you are crossing a 6 volt battery. So potential of A will be 6 volt. Correct. So VA will be 6 volt. Then they are asking the potential of point C. Now in this branch there is no current flowing. So when you go from A, you are crossing the battery from positive to negative terminal, and then we have resistor and you reach point C. But the resistor has 0 potential difference because current is 0. Delta V of resistor is 0. Okay, so here we have 0 potential difference. So here we have 6 volt, 6 minus 4, 2 volt. So VC will be 2 volt. Okay, so that's it. Part 1 is solved. Then at which point D of the wire AB the potential is equal to the potential at C. Okay, so now for wire AB, the length of the wire AB is how much? Length of the wire AB is given to be 100 centimeter, that is 1 meter. Okay, so length is how much? 100 centimeter. Okay, and the potential difference across the wire is how much? Across the wire potential difference will be 6 volts. Okay, so we can write down potential gradient. Potential gradient, that will be delta V by L. So this will be 6 by 100 volt per centimeter. Okay, so we found the potential gradient. Now they are asking what should be the point D. Okay, so that point D and point C have same potential. Okay, so let's see, that is very easy. Point C has potential 2 volt, that means point D also has potential 2 volt. Okay, VD equal to again 2 volt, right? So dB by 2 volt, 2 volt divided by dB should be equal to 6 volt divided by 100 centimeter. That's what the potential gradient says, that correct. For this dB length the potential difference is 2 volt, VD minus VB 2 volt. Okay, so 2 volt divided by dB equal to 6 volt divided by 100 centimeter. So you obtain dB will come out to be equal to 33.33 centimeter. So if we know dB, we have found the location of point D from B. That's it. Okay, so that's what the question was asking. At which point D of the wire potential is equal to C. Now the third part, if the points C and D are connected by a wire, what will be the current through it? See, point C has potential 2 volt, point D has potential 2 volt. So when you connect them together, no current will flow. So that is the answer to part C. No current will flow through the wire. Okay, if the 4 volt battery is replaced by 7.5 volt battery, what would be the answers of part A and B is just repeated. Okay, so let's solve this. Okay, so this is VA is still 6 volts. Okay, so VA will not change because VA depends on this battery. VA will not change. Okay, but this is 6 volt and now we have a battery. Okay, let's draw that. So in the new case, this is your point A and then we have a battery of potential 7.5 volt. So this has potential 6 volt. So from 6 volt I cross the battery from positive to negative terminal, so I get VC. So VA minus 7.5 equal to VC. So VC will be how much? 6 minus 7.5, so that is minus 1.5 volt. This is the answer. Okay.